Hey guys, welcome to the Techie Dialogue again. In this video, we'll show you a lost container viral video trending now. Lost container videos are going massively viral on social media right now. Today, I'll show you how to create this kind of viral video yourself, completely free using AI in just 3 or 5 minutes. First step, open the prompt file, link in the description below. Copy the idea generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a bunch of great lost container videos ideas. Pick whichever you want like. Next, copy the scene generation prompt from the file and paste it to the same chat. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 5 separate video prompts, one for each scene. Copy the scene 1 prompt from ChatGPT and head over to the Google Flow website. From the top menu, select video, then choose Omni Flash as your model. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Your first scene will be ready within a second, so wait here. This may take a few times. Note, each generation costs you credits, so ensure you have regular free credits or paid credits on your back. To keep the next scene consistent with the one before it, go to the very last of your frame and first video and click Save Frame. Click on the Save Frame, then select Animate from the 3-dot menu. Copy the scene 2 prompt from the ChatGPT and paste in. Repeat this process for each remaining scene, generating and downloading every clip. Once all your clips are downloaded, import them into any video editor or arrange them scene through 1 to 5 in order. Trim out any unnecessary parts. Add a smooth transition between scenes so the whole thing flows naturally. After that, export it and your viral lost container video is ready. And that's it, guys. To discover more viral AI niche like this one, subscribe to our channel now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.